Hi guys and welcome back to my channel Pips and Profit, and in this video we're going to be discussing break of market structure, how to know the proper way to identify a break of market structure. So many people have had this confused and so many people have had this mixed up. So in this video we're going to be showing you how to identify break of market structure properly. So if you stay through with this video, at the end of this video, we promise you that you'll be able to identify break of market structure more than you have done in the previous times. Okay. Now stay tuned. Now in this video, we're discussing break of market structure. And the first thing you want to know is what is the break of market structure? Now in Forex trading, it refers to a significant price movement that violates the established pattern or trend on a price chart. Okay, so there's already an established pattern of this, an established trend on on a price or on a chart. Okay, and then there is a violation of that pattern. Okay. In previous videos, we've shown you how we've had different types of patterns or different types of trend. We've shown you bullish trend, we've shown you bearish trend. All right. Now, when there's a violation of that pattern, there is likely going to be a break of structure. So that incident where there was a violation of that pattern is called a break of structure, and it signals a potential shift in the market sentiment and the beginning of a new trend. Okay, so when you see a break of structure, it is signaling the beginning of a new trend and a shift in market sentiment. Say the market has been bullish for a while. When you see a break of structure, it's signaling that the market may want to become bearish or may want to start consolidating. Okay. Now, talking about trends, how do we identify trends? The first thing that we can use to identify trend is when markets or when the price has surpassed a key support or a key resistance level. Right? In the next video, we're going to talk about, in coming videos, we're going to talk about support and resistance. Okay? But we're going to briefly show you that in this video. Right? So when the market has surpassed a previous support or a previous resistance level, then you'll be sure of a break of structure. All right. And this implies a shift in the balance between buyers and sellers. So in a break of structure, when you see a shift in the balance between buyers and sellers, leading to a change in the prevailing trend, you can now confirm that is a break of structure. So let's look at a few examples of break of structure and we'll wrap up the video. All right. Now, when we have a market trend going this way, all the way to the upside, now we know that this is an uptrend because we've had the market going and creating higher highs and higher lows. So with this, we can say it is an uptrend. All right. Now, when one thing you can also notice here in this uptrend is that the market has been respecting previous lows. All right, previous lows has not been taken out. You can see that with this. All right, you can see that the previous lows have not been taken out, and then the previous highs are being taken out. Look at the previous highs right here. All right, look at the previous highs, they are being taken out. All right, you're seeing that the previous highs are being taken out. Market is taking out previous highs, going above previous highs. All right, now this is an uptrend. But then if you mark the last low right here, if you mark this last low, that is the structure of the buy to the upside, the last low and the last high. If at any point the market goes beyond this low, all right, if at any point market goes beyond this low, what we're going to call that is a break of structure. A break of structure. In so many cases, you hear people call it BOS. BOS. It's called a break of structure. Okay. So at this point, when price has gone below the last low of the buy structure to the upside, this is a break of structure to the downside. Market has broken the structure to the downside. All right. I hope that is clear. So once again, we had the buy trend. Price kept going up, creating higher highs and higher lows. And then after some points, price broke to the downside and gave us a break of structure. It broke the low right here and possibly gave us a lower low. Okay, a lower low. So what we have right here is a lower low. So at this point, when price has closed, when the candle, if you're using a candlestick, when the candlestick has gone below this level, this last low of the buy to this upside, then that is a break of structure. So you remember that price kept respecting the previous lows and taking out the previous highs. But in this case, it now broke the previous low and continued going down. Closed below it if it's a candlestick chart, and then retested it and went back down. This is a break of structure to the downside. Now let's do an example for a break of structure to the upside from a sell trend to a buy trend. Now let's see how that plays out. So, looking at the break of structure to the downside, we're going to have something like this. All right, so we have price trending to the downside, all right, selling all the way downwards. Okay. And now you can notice one thing, the highs are being respected and the lows are being taken out. The highs are being respected and the lows are being taken out. You can see that happening concurrently. These are the lows, they are being taken out. Meanwhile, the highs are still respected. Now, if you take a look at this last high, which is residing right here, right about this level, this is the last high to the upside. There was a point in price when price took it out. Okay, so there is a point in price when price took it out. Now you can see it like this. Okay, so this is much clearer. Now, when price does this, this particular place where price took out the last high in a downtrend, where price took out the last high in a downtrend, it's called the break of structure. Okay, when price took out the last high in a downtrend, this particular level is called the break of structure, or this is the particular level where the break of structure happened. So if you're trading forex or you're learning from anywhere and you're told, oh, there was a break of structure right here, this is what it meant. When the last sell structure, which is from this lower high to this lower low, when it is broken to the upside and the candle closes above this line right here, this is the break of structure. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to also, in the description of this video, I'm going to leave a link to a video where I did sometime last year and I talked about proper break of structure and improper break of structure. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful to understand what break of structure means. All right, and with this, you'll be able to navigate the market using this concept of break of structure. All right, until we meet again in the next video, wish you good luck and good trading. Cheers and God bless, guys.